Most homeowners and amateurs alike are destroying their siding without even realizing it. And the worst part? They think they're doing it right. Pressure washers, store-bought cleaners, random YouTube advice. This is exactly why we see damage like this every season. High pressure doesn't clean your home properly. It strips, etches, and forces water where it shouldn't go. Professionals don't rely on pressure. We use proper solutions that actually break down organic growth safely. Washing too early can damage surfaces and even harm pollinators. Timing isn't optional. It's part of doing the job right. Anyone can buy equipment. Very few understand how to use it without causing long-term damage. This is what proper house washing actually looks like. If you want it done right the first time, reach out. We handle it properly from start to finish.